Eating for a healthy heart. We've all had bad cholesterol or a bad diet at some point in our lives. Even if we try our hardest, it is impossible to eat healthily for the rest of our lives. Everyone should try to eat healthy for their hearts, especially when it comes to restoring health and reducing heart attacks. Your heart and your diet. We know for a fact that a diet high in saturated fats raises cholesterol, which is a risk factor for heart disease. Obese people are more likely to develop heart disease. A high sodium diet may raise your blood pressure, causing inflammation and even heart disease. Use the tips below to help prevent heart disease and improve your health. Consume plenty of fish. Herring, sardines, and salmon are all high in omega-3 essential fatty acids. Other types of fish are also beneficial, though omega-3 may aid in lowering your cholesterol. Choosing healthy fats and oils. Saturated fat raises the risk of cardiovascular disease. It can be found in a variety of foods, including meat, butter, and even coconut oil. You should avoid them until your cholesterol levels have decreased and you have reached a healthy weight. Even those who enjoy red meat can get their protein from seafood and nuts. Monounsaturated fats. Olive oils, which are high in monounsaturated fats, will help you protect your heart. Olive oil is an excellent choice for cooking, dressing, and even dipping sauces. Eat plenty of fiber. Fiber can help you keep your cholesterol under control. Whole grain products contain fiber, which can help control sugar absorption and keep your digestive system healthy. Carbohydrate selection. Eating for your heart entails avoiding sugary foods like candy, cookies, cakes, and pastries. Consuming a lot of sugar is detrimental to your heart health. Whole grain bread, whole grain pasta, brown rice, and plenty of vegetables are examples of healthy carbohydrates. You should prepare fruits and vegetables. Healthy cooking techniques. Stir-frying and sautéing with olive or canola oil are both excellent methods, as you should no longer dip your food in batter and fry it. When cooking chicken, remove the skin and bake it in foil in the oven. Instead of frying your fish, bake it instead. Steaming your vegetables helps to keep the most nutrients. You should also avoid using cream sauces or a lot of butter. Try squeezing lemon juice on your vegetables or seasoning them with your favorite seasonings. As you make the necessary dietary changes, keep in mind that it takes time for them to become habits. Eating healthy is always beneficial to your body and your way of life, especially when it comes to your heart and the prevention of heart disease. Encourage us and subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications. Like our video and write any remark or suggestion in the comments section. We will be glad to hear you. Thank you.